Hey, this right here is the question 6 on page 5 of this review packet. So it says cumulative frequency curve shows the mass in grams of a selection of oranges. Use the graph to estimate a couple of things. So I imagine that's pretty straightforward and simple. So we need to find the median. There's a total of 80. So n is 80. So if n's 80, then the median value is going to be half of that. So the median will be the 40th value. So if I go straight across at 40, and I get right to there, and then I go straight down at there, it looks like the answer is 72. This is weight, sorry, so 72 grams. Um, so that's my median. Then we wants us to do the upper quarter. Well, the upper quarter, or Q3, is going to be 80 times 3 quarters, or if we want, we can write that as 0.75 because it's the 75th percentile. 3 quarters of 80 is 60. So again, I'm just going to take my thing. I'm going to go straight across at 60 if I can. And once I hit 60, once I hit the line, I'm going to come straight back down. And it looks like my answer is 76 grams. Okay, so we've got those values, not a problem. It says 10% of the oranges weighed more than X grams. So what we're looking for is in this case, it's going to be the top 10%. Okay? So the top 10%, is going to be somewhere in this range here. Okay? So because those are the heaviest oranges, so that's where it's going to be. So what I'm looking to do now is I'm looking to find what in the world is, sorry, that is a beautiful color. I'm looking for what is the top 10%. Well, we just need to know what 10% of 80 is. So 10% of 80 is 8. Now, if I just used 8 as my value, I would be actually finding the values down here. But that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the top 10%. So I'm not looking here. What I want is, this is that whole trick when we do this of doing 80 minus 8. That will give me the top value. That gives me that minimum value. In this case, that is 72. So I'm going to come back to my frequency chart, and I'm going to look, where is 72? And 72 is right about there. If I can do this straight, I'll be amazed. And then if I go straight down where 72 hits that looks to be about 82. So the answer is going to be 82 grams. In general, if you are given a percentage, so percentage, if we start with percentage, we start on the y-axis. If we start with what our units are, if we start with mass or whatever the units, then we would start here, go up and over. Okay? I hope that makes some sense. I'm sure you got it.